Hello friends, we're going to be copying over our curriculum from 9 weeks to another 9 weeks, or one semester to another semester, however the case may be. It's pretty simple. So right now, these are the students that I'm teaching now, and they have nothing to be graded. So I'm going to copy over some of the curriculum from last 9 weeks to this 9 weeks so I don't have to type everything back in, and then I can just go and change the date and update the names of things as I want to for this 9 weeks. So to get started, you click on settings. So this is in the new 9 weeks. This is the third 9 weeks, for example. And I want to go to curriculum list right here if I want to check everything, but we're going to copy it, so we can just go straight to copy because I want to just transfer stuff over. And I want to copy from, in this case, the second 9 weeks over to the third 9 weeks. So for my 6th grade, we'll say second period. So that would be this second one right here. And this is everything. And I don't actually want to copy everything. I'm just going to copy the cats over today. And then I'm going to fix a few things before I copy over the rest. And then I want to copy it to this 9 weeks, which is this third one right here. And I always just put 50 minutes. And then you're going to hit next. And for this 9 weeks, we came back on the 3rd, but since it's a cats for the week, I'm really just going to set the first day of the 9 weeks, which in this case I consider the 8th. That's the first full week. But if you put the 3rd, it's also not going to make that big of a difference. And then the last day of this particular 9 weeks happens to be March 13th, and then the 14th is actually the last day. So the last day for the kids in the class will be the 13th for this 9 weeks, and then next. And then you just double check everything. You can change the categories if you want. We normally leave it 9 weeks, points, 100, multiplier, and then hit save. And I copied over 6 sets of cats from the second 9 weeks to the third 9 weeks. And I'm going to close it so you can see. So if I collapse the settings and collapse the total grades, so now where I had nothing, now I have 6 different sets of assignments that I can use. Thanks.